Hi everyone, happy Sunday. John Basankin here. This is my week 7 post on descriptive research. First, I'd like to define descriptive research as providing knowledge and identifying characteristics. You can observe changes to characteristics over time, but descriptive research is not used to identify the cause and effect relationship. As far as using tests, a great way for tests in descriptive research is looking at standardized test scores over time, and it's useful for identifying trends. Say the reading comprehension is going up over time, and at the same time, the scores in math are going down. You can identify those trends and then work on ways to improve them. But the tests are there just to identify the trends. Questionnaires, as it may be fulfilling to make your own and have a great sense of accomplishment, using a predetermined or already well-developed questionnaire may save you a lot of time and headache, because they have been proven through other research studies to be valid and reliable. And I know making your own, there's a lot of trial and error and testing to make sure that you get good results from those before they actually can be used. For observation in descriptive research is fantastic because you actually can witness characteristics firsthand. It's a great way to see what's going on and not just rely on answers in a question or on a test, but to actually observe and witness it firsthand is awesome. Interviews can be tricky. I know a lot of people get a little nervous in interviews. I remember doing some when I was working on my bachelor's degree. One of the classes we had to participate in a research study, and the interview was a little nerve-wracking. But I guess it's always best to start out with the simple, easy questions that don't put a whole lot of pressure on the respondent. That way they feel comfortable and they work their way into talking more and more, and they're much more open that way. It would definitely save any hard or difficult questions that may require more thought or even topics that they may not be comfortable talking about. Save those towards the end. That way you can get the majority of your questions out of the way for the interview. Just in case they freeze up, you don't want to start with something really hard and then have to backpedal and try to get them to open up again. You also want to avoid bias questions, such as leading the respondents, say, how do you feel about this? You don't want to assume what they're feeling. You just want to give them the question, let them answer based on their own feelings, and don't assume that they agree or disagree with whatever you're trying to research. Well, that's it for my descriptive research post. I hope everyone has a great upcoming week. And again, I hope you successfully completed assignment 3. We'll talk to you later. Take care.